Bitcoin just broke above a crucial resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Bitcoin analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see on the previous video, we mentioned the fact that Bitcoin will be a very crucial level in order for us to break above these exponential moving averages and have that continuation. You can see from all the way up here around the 20.7 level, we have failed to break above these exponential moving averages, and we briefly saw a nice breakout formation right here, but immediately after rejected the 20 exponential moving average and continued using it as resistance. As of right now, we do have a proper break of this formation using this level as support. Things are looking short-term bullish on Bitcoin. Ideally, what I would like to see from a bullish case scenario is a break above the 17.6 level, find it as consolidation, and then a continuation to possibly hitting that around 18.7 level. Of course, from a bearish perspective, if this is another fake out opportunity, we would need a very clean break of this formation and a continuation for us to test that level of 15.5. Ideally, Bitcoin was in a extreme oversold condition. You can see from all the way up from 20.7 to hitting around the 15.5. That was a $4,500 drop, almost around 20%, which is an insane move for Bitcoin to happen within a day. I think, in my opinion, with all the FTX news and the FUD, this created a massive opportunity for these sellers to actually take control of this level, and we are currently continuing hovering right below these major resistance levels. This definitely doesn't mean the fact that, of course, that the bearish case scenario is over. You guys know that my main targets are still yet to be played, but in my opinion, I think Bitcoin is ready to have a small pullback opportunity, possibly retesting a major resistance level, and then that continuation to the downside. The reason why I'm leaning towards that right now is because of the fact that everyone is pretty much in this bearish case scenario, and usually the market tends to do opposite of what everyone thinks, and right now everyone is entering these oversold shorting positions, making sure the fact that there will be a very large short squeeze if we do see a break above that 17.9. Looking at the hourly time frames, you can see on Bitcoin that we are pretty much right in between those exponential moving averages, but we are seeing some bearish pressure happen, right? We did have this nice bearish engulfing candle and see quite a bit of resistance levels here around the $17,000 level. I mentioned this to you guys many times before. The fact that this $17,000 level is going to become an extremely crucial point for Bitcoin to actually try to take above those levels, because of the fact you can see we had a beautiful liquidity grab right over here, the same liquidity grab again, and this level was exactly at the 17.2. Ideally, if Bitcoin does continue pushing up with this ladder move, then we do see a break of this formation at 17.2. We will definitely be looking for an extremely quick move to the upside, and then things obviously become interesting. Ideally, the next take profit level for a lot of these bulls are going to be, a lot of these bulls, are going to be around that $18,000 level, and that would be that continuation formation, and then we can see whether or not we can be looking for those shorting opportunities. These two resistance levels are extremely major for Bitcoin, guys, because of the fact, looking at previous price analysis on the 4-hour, you can see that this acted as a very strong support on Bitcoin for quite a while, right? At the 17.9, you can see, zooming out on the chart, we had the same test right over here with these with a beautiful wick opportunity going back down, and then a retest of that 17.9 before that continuation to 25k. And right now we are seeing the same sort of formation, but of course we are below these major support levels. So you guys usually know that once we break below a major support level, that tends to act as a very strong resistance point. Old support becomes new resistance, and that's exactly what we're possibly going to see. Of course, this would be invalidated if we do see a very strong bullish engulfing candle, possibly testing that 18.8 level. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.